Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make a healthy balsamic tomato salad. This is a simple, fresh, healthy way to use up all of those summer tomatoes. To start, you'll need 2 pints of cherry or grape tomatoes, and I'm going to show you a cool trick for cutting them. Place a handful of tomatoes down onto a cutting board and then cover them with the lid of a Tupperware to hold them in place, and then you just run your knife through and they're all sliced in half. Pretty neat trick, huh? It's a total time saver. Transfer all of your halved tomatoes to a large mixing bowl or serving bowl, and then I'm going to show you how to chiffonade some basil. Take 10 large basil leaves and stack them all together. Then you're going to roll them up as tight as you can. Take a sharp knife and slice the roll. That is a chiffonade. It gives you these nice little strips of basil. We're going to take all of this basil and put it in with our tomatoes. Next, we'll make a super simple balsamic dressing. You'll need 3 tablespoons of good quality balsamic vinegar. Pour that into a little mixing bowl along with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and give it a quick whisk. When it comes to summer tomatoes, sometimes it's best to just keep things super simple and let the flavor of the tomatoes shine through. Drizzle the dressing over the tomatoes and basil and give it a toss. You can let these marinate in the fridge for a couple hours or serve them up right away. Either way, you're ready to eat this delicious, simple summer side dish. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.